Hello friends, welcome back to this new video. Today's topic is how to make a monthly product-wise sales report in Excel by using the formula method. In the previous tutorial, I explained making the monthly product-wise sales report by using the pivot table method. Here you can see this report is created by using the pivot table. And here in this video, I'll show you doing this by using the formula method. First of all, let's understand what is in the data. This data is a monthly sales report of XYZ suppliers that has date, product name, quantity and sales revenue. If you see in the product name, the products are repeating multiple times in the data. And we have to calculate the total for every single product. For that, first of all, copy the column headers, that is product name, quantity and sales revenue. Control C, then paste it here. Control V. After making the column headers, next we have to display here the unique list of product. For that, click on this cell, then press equal to, use the unique function, open bracket. In the array parameter of the unique function, simply select this product name range in the data source. Then close bracket, press enter. This generates the unique list of product. Next, to display the total quantity and sales revenue for these products, we have to use here SUMIF function. So click on the cell, press equal to, put SUMIF function, open bracket. In the range parameter of the SUMIF function, select the product name range in the data source. Click on the first one, then you can press Ctrl Shift down arrow key to go to the last. Then press Ctrl plus backspace to go back to the formula. Then here we have to lock this product name range. For that, press the F4 key in the keyboard, that will apply the dollar symbols. Then put a comma. In the criteria, click on this first product name here. Then put a comma, and in the SUM range, select the quantity range in the data source. Click on the first one, then press Ctrl Shift down. Control backspace, then lock this range by pressing the F4 key in the keyboard. That will fix the range. Now you can close the bracket for SUMIF function, then press enter. And here you can see the total quantity of refrigerator is 13 units for the whole month. Now you can drag this formula till the last product. And these are the total quantities for every single product. Now for the sales revenue, you can again use SUMIF function here. Press equal to, type SUMIF, open the bracket. In the range, select the product name range in the data source. Then lock this range by pressing F4 key in the keyboard. Put a comma. In the criteria, click on this first product name, comma, and in the SUM range, select this sales revenue range in the data source. Then lock this range by pressing F4 key, close bracket, press enter. This is the total sales revenue. Drag this for other products. And here you can see the total sales revenue for every single product is calculated. Here you can make it total sales revenue, and here you can make it total quantity. And at the top you can put the report header, that is monthly product wise sales report. Then select these three cells, merge and center. So this is how you can make the monthly product wise sales report by using the formula method. If you want to practice this, you can download this sample data from the link given in the video description section. Thank you very much for watching. See you again in another tutorial.